If you want to set up eSIM on the Realme 16 Pro, you have to open the settings, then go for mobile network, and right now just go for eSIM. First of all, you will have to turn it on and click to enable. And by the way, it will disable one of your SIM card if you got two SIM cards inside, because the smartphone doesn't actually support 3 SIM profiles. Click to add eSIM. And by the way, you have to be connected into the Wi-Fi network. That's important. So let's go and be connected. Now we can go back and click to add eSIM. Now click to set up an eSIM. Now wait for this checking network information. And right now we got two options. We can enter the activation code. So it looks like this. You can find it on your email if you receive the eSIM from the email, or you can just scan a QR code. So now you have to align the QR code with the frame, and if your QR code is correct, then you can find the next steps.